Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe. Today I wanted to let you know a little bit more about this latest arrival in the form of this Nissan Juke crossover. This particular example is the Juke N-Connecta, finished here in Arctic White solid colour. In terms of equipment, there'll be plenty for you to enjoy. Starting with the front, this funkily design will benefit from LED daytime running lights, as well as the convenience of automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, these glossed-out black alloy wheels will be further complemented by contrasting wing mirrors and various red accents throughout the body. There is also privacy-tinted windows in the back for passengers, and the cabin will offer plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with the interior being finished in part cloth and Alcantara. Slowly moving towards the rear, the story is no different, with strikingly designed tail lights, and the boot space itself, when opened, can easily take a week's worth of shopping and definitely 2, maybe 3 carry-on suitcases. You can always fold down the rear seat 60-40 split to create more space, and there is a hidden compartment underneath for added security. Quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also reveal a stunning leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, 7-inch infotainment screen, as well as front sport seats which will add additional comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Nissan Juke. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Nissan Juke, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Gloss black accents in the sides as well as center console will add to the overall premium feel, whilst the driver control panels are easy to reach and logically laid out. Offering various safety systems and even power folding wing mirrors, there's also cruise control and speed limiter functionality, as well as trip computer options on the left. Easy to use trip computer will display key information such as fuel economy, range and total mileage, whilst the center touchscreen will have all your entertainment needs covered. Benefiting from the likes of AM, FM and the DAB digital radio, with additional Bluetooth connectivity as well as Bluetooth audio. Other great features in the vehicle will incorporate built-in satellite navigation, with easy-to-use buttons and mapping thanks to the large buttons on the screen. Various live traffic information is also available, as well as additional apps as well. Throughout the car, various setup functions will allow you to personalize this Juke to make it your own, and to help with parking there is even a reverse parking camera with guidelines. Moving further down the cabin, easy to use single zone climate control is available, and the system itself is quite funky as it features multiple screens. Press the D mode for drive mode and you can change between the driving characteristics and style of the vehicle. Various modes are available, such as economy, which will prioritize fuel efficiency and economy. Sport will give you a more sporty, spirited drive and stiffen up sport steering and dimensions. And there's also USB connectors and auxiliary inputs too, as well as cup holders and a center armrest with hidden storage. This has been a presentation of the Nissan Juke N-Connecta that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.